Do you know Bengali language?
No. Only I know Rasgulla is very famous in West Bengal. That's the only thing I know about West Bengal.
Durga Durga Puja is also very famous in West Bengal. Durga
Okay.
Puja, Rasagolla, and white sari with red border. This sari is also very famous in West Bengal. Cotton sari, Tat sari. These sarees are very famous in West Bengal, and we wear this. We wear those sarees. But when whenever we see that people are wearing Georgette sari, but we are not accustomed, we are not habituated to wear those kind of sarees, Georgette sarees. I have seen that people from other state they wear Georgette sari. So we feel very uncomfortable to wear those kind of sarees. But nowadays, as we are getting modern day by day, so people are wearing, and but the Georgette fabric is getting soft day by day. At first,
Hmm.
it was not soft.
Okay. And does that sari have a different name? By what name we call that sari? Simple sari.
Sarees, yeah, sarees have different names. For example, balu chori, West Bengal balu chori, sarna chori, these kind of names are there. Sarna chori
Oh,
is a
sari.
silk saree. Yeah, it's a very famous silk saree, and the price is approximately more than 7,000 rupees. If you want to buy original sarna chori, then it will cost you more than 7,000 rupees. And duplicate sarna choris are also there, and you can get those sarees by paying 1,200 rupees.
Okay. That's
Now,
that's far better, Piali. Please introduce yourself. Could you please introduce yourself?
yeah, obviously, why not? As you can see that my name is Piali, but people know me as Priya because I use Priya name when I talk to other people in applications. And I have completed post graduation in English, and currently I am pursuing my B.Ed, that is Bachelor in Education. And if I
Mm-hmm.
talk about my hobbies, oh, I forgot to tell you that I am from West Bengal. Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah, if I talk about my hobbies, then I also like to plant trees. And in my free time, whenever I get time, I make some handmade items like art paper, photo frame. So by using art paper, so I make those kind of items, photo frame, wall hanging, and I draw some pictures. I watch some YouTube videos, pencil sketch videos, and I draw some pictures. But these days, I'm not able to focus on my hobbies because of lack of time. So
Okay.
that's all about me.
Okay, good to know about you, Piali. And I think in West Bengal, Remal has hit the boundaries of West Bengal, is it?
Sorry, what did you say? Your
Remal,
voice was not audible.
I don't know how to say Tufan in English, but Remal Tufan hit the boundaries of West Bengal.
Tufan.
Yes.
Tufan. No, no. I don't know. I haven't heard this news.
Okay, so in newspapers, this is the news I went to that Remal Tufan. What did we say Tufan in English?
Oh, you are talking about that storm. Yeah,
Okay,
obviously. Yeah. Okay. That is a cyclone. That is a cyclone. A
okay,
super cyclone, you can say. But but in Sundarban, actually, it is in Sundarban, but not in our place. We did not even feel the effect of this the tufan, that Remal.
okay, Piali. So do you have any sort of piece of your work, of your art piece nearby you, if you would be able to show me?
No, nearby me, I don't have right now, but if you give me time, then I can get. So, but maybe some other day I will show you. Okay.
Okay, definitely.
Because I used to do those things maybe some years ago. So definitely I have to take some time to find all those things. But I
And
told you now that I right now I'm not able to focus on my hobbies because I am very much busy with projects and assignments, practicums as I am pursuing my B.Ed. So there are a lot of practicums, assignments are there.
mhm.
So this is why I'm not able to focus on my hobbies. So
So you are,
definitely some other day I will show you.
thank you, Piali, for this much concern. So you are in second year of B.Ed.
Yeah, second year. It's my second year.
Okay. So did you like teaching?
Yeah, obviously I like to teach. Even I am doing private tuitions.
Okay, so you take home tuitions, am I right?
Home tuition, yeah. Home tuition. I am teaching two kids, so they are little children. So I go their
Mhm.
house and then I teach them.
So since childhood, you know that I want to become a teacher or something, some incident took place.
No. It's not.
Network.
Again, network issue.
Voice is breaking up.
Even I. Okay. Actually, I was saying that. Can you hear my voice now? Actually, I was saying that I did not even know that I will do B.Ed after completing my post graduation. Even before post graduation, also I did not know that I will complete my post graduation in English. Actually, it happened. It was a coincidence, you can say. Actually, no. If you want to do B.Ed, then you have to invest 1 lakh. So, but in West Bengal, what is happening? Maybe it's happening in every state. So, government is not thinking
Government
that
is,
I will do B.Ed.
government is not after
So,
that
I'm
you're
not
going.
interested. I'm not. Yeah, government is not offering any jobs, any government jobs, especially teaching jobs.
Okay, okay. So there are not private jobs after completing B.Ed?
There are private schools, but private schools are, they are giving less salary, and they are making the teachers work hard for them. Like, they are making the teacher working hard for whole day. So it's very difficult. Well, people are going for private tuitions. So they are thinking that it's better to do own tuitions rather than joining any private institution.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. So I think you're on the right track to open up, like you have taken
Yeah.
already the
It is,
initiative of your
if
coaching
I want
center.
to, if I want to be a teacher, if I want to be a teacher, then I have to wait for the government that when the government is publishing the notice, and apart from that, I have to go to some other states to do teaching there. Because in my state, private schools are not giving good salary, so I have to find another state for like where I can get good salary. In West Bengal, private schools are there. They are giving maybe 10 to 15,000 salary per month, and it's not enough because if you want to be a teacher, you have to stay there. For staying there, it will cost you 5,000 per month. So you can earn only 10,000 or 5,000 per month. So it's not enough. It's better to do private tuition because because the demand is very high. Demand of private tuition is very high, and my subject is English, so people from the childhood, students are taking tuitions. So it's good. I don't know what will happen. If I don't get any job, then definitely I have to open my own tuitions.
Yes, I think private
Otherwise, there is
tuition.
no option.
Sorry.
Otherwise, there is no option.
Yes, and you are doing absolutely good, Piali. I think you are teaching two students, right?
Yeah, they are little children. So I was thinking that I will open tuition for elders as well. For example, from class 9 to 12, class 5 to 8. But they are just reading in class 3 or 4.
Yes, you. I think you can do that. That I can see the confidence and the clarity you have, the way you speak. So definitely, you would be able to go across a long way when you will start your own private work because
Even I was
it's
also thinking that I will open spoken English institution, and I will teach spoken English to other students. And whatever I am learning, I'm also a learner. I'm not a teacher. So whatever I will learn, I will teach them. So
yeah.
I have created a channel in order to teach others through online platform. But I'm not able to grow my channel because I'm not regular there. I'm not continuously uploading videos. I'm not uploading videos on a daily basis. This is the
Oh,
way. I used to create reels videos related to short English grammar, and but nowadays I have stopped making reels videos because I have heard that if you, through shorts channel you can upload only shorts, and for long videos there is you have to create another channel. So I got to know about that. So that's why I have stopped making reels. And when I joined the Skype application, I'm not in this application for a long time, maybe more than 1 week ago. I joined this Skype application, and from that day I have been uploading videos in YouTube channel.
okay. And what is your channel name?
And what's the secret? How did you improve your English?
Should I tell you about that? Hello.
Yeah, I want to know about English journey.
Okay, so Piali, actually English has been an integrated subject. It has been an integrated part of our educational system very well. So I used to write all the thoughts, like I used to do journaling in 2011. But I lacked always in linguistic skills because our teachers in schools never promoted us or motivated us that you have to speak English and this is a global language. This is very important in upcoming few years. So they never told us. So I lack in confidence whenever I used to speak in this language. So I think in 2017, I thought that now I have to speak in English. And since then, I'm giving my best. Still, till now, I stuck, I fumble, but yet I keep the conversation going on. Can you hear me, Piali?
Yeah, obviously I can hear you. You are
Okay.
audible. You are perfectly audible.
Okay. So that is
Okay.
how my journey began. And tell me something about your journey.
Okay. So if I talk about my journey, I started practicing in English language in 2022. Maybe in the
Okay.
month of March or April, I started. But I'm not continuous in this process as well. I stopped practicing spoken English for 1 year because of some
Oh,
reasons. And I had because I'm doing B.Ed, so I had to go to schools regularly to teach students because practice teaching was there. So for 3 months continuously I stopped. Then again I started, but I was not regularly continuing my journey because BEd is also very hectic. There are
Mhm.
so much pressure. So I thought that yeah, spoken English it's a secondary thing, but the primary thing is that my BEd. So that's
Hmm.
why I was focusing on it and the other things rather than focusing on spoken English. Then I started again. Then I got back my fluency again. And now also I don't practice regularly because of network issue. Even when I use application now, then people disconnect my call just because of network issue. I feel that I live in a little village. I am from a little village, so the network, like, I don't get network. I don't get the benefit of network as
Mhm.
I am from a little village. I'm not living in a city that I will get available network. And nowadays Geo SIM is Geo. This Geo network is really not performing well.
Okay. Okay. So
Yeah.
was
So
that?
from that day, yeah, from that day, from that year 2022, I have been practicing English, but not continuously. If I could have practiced continuously, I would have become more fluent. But I am not able to focus on a daily basis. I'm not able to focus on my spoken English skills on a daily basis. But I have followed some methods, like I have played a role playing game. For example, like I have played maybe a parent teacher's role, and like many roles were there, but that was maybe more than 1 year ago. I don't practice those kind of games now. I have gone through story making game and sentence formation games. These kind of games I have played. I have described some pictures, and also I have described videos. I used to keep thinking in my mind all the time, whatever I used to listen from my surroundings. So as I'm from West Bengal, my environment is Bengali. And in my college also I did not get English environment, even though I completed English honors. So teachers used to speak in Bengali language.
And what is the
So
capital
I
of
have
West Bengal?
just Kolkata.
Kolkata. And you belong to which village?
If I tell you the name of my village, like, you will be astonished that this can be a name. So my
Uh,
district name is Bakuda. Yeah, my
Bakur.
district name is Bakuda. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Have you
Fine.
heard that name?
No, I'm hearing this name very first time from you. And what is the native language in your village?
My native language is Bangla. I'm
Bangla.
from West. Yeah, I'm from
Okay.
West Bengal. That's why my native language is Bangla. Do you know Bengali language?
No. Only I know Rasgulla is very famous in West Bengal. That's the only thing I know about West Bengal.
Durga Durga Puja is also very famous in West Bengal. Durga
Okay.
Puja, Rasagolla, and red and white sari with red border. This sari is also very famous in West Bengal. Cotton sari, tat sari. These saris are very famous in West Bengal, and we wear this. We wear those saris. But whenever we see that people are wearing Georgette sari, but we are not accustomed, we are not habituated to wear those kind of saris, Georgette saris. I have seen that people from other state, they wear Georgette sari. So we feel very uncomfortable to wear those kind of saris. But nowadays, as we are getting modern day by day, so people are wearing, and but the Georgette fabric is getting soft day by day. At first,
Hmm.
it was not soft.
Okay. And does that sari have a different name? By what name we call that sari? Simple sari.
Saris, yeah, saris have different names. For example, balu chori in West Bengal, balu chori, swarno chori. These kind of names are there. Swarno chori
Oh,
is a
sari.
silk sari. Yeah, it's a very famous silk sari, and the price is approximately more than 7,000 rupees. If you want to buy original swarno chori, then it will cost you more than 7,000 rupees. And duplicate
Oh,
swarno choris are also there, and you can get those saris by paying 1,200 rupees, 1,500 rupees. Those are not costly.
sonda
But
churi.
original Swarno Churi, yeah, Swarno Churi, Balu Churi, and Jamdani, Dhakai. I think you have heard that in Dhakai. Dhakai sari is very famous. Dhakai sari is very famous in Bangladesh as well as in West Bengal.
Okay. So they all are handmade sarees.
Yeah, handmade sarees.
Okay, that's why they are so costly. Okay, good to know about.
Yeah,
Like we are living in
Katha,
India and
Katha
we
stitch
don't know.
sari is also there. Katha stitch sari is also there. It's a hand embroidery, and the price is very high because all are handmade now. So it will cost you high.
Okay. So is there any sort of famous sari of your district or any sort of thing very famous
In
of
my
your?
in my district there is a place that is Visnupur. The place name is Visnupur. So there people make baluchuri, sarnachuri, these kind of saris, and many tat saris also they make. So these saris are from that place.
Mhm.
And also terracotta art is very famous in our state as well as in our district. Terracotta art, that means they make some earthen, you can say earthen idols of gods, and many things are there. Many idols are there.
Mhm. Okay. Terracotta.
Yeah, terracotta. Yeah. Have you heard the name this art form?
Terracotta, I have heard about. And what about the food? Like, what Indian cuisine is very much famous there?
Yeah. Okay, so
Mm.
you said that you are from UP. You are from UP, right? What is famous in your state?
In Uttar Pradesh, Golgappas, tikki. We usually
Golgappa.
dal chawal, roti, sabzi,
Uh,
simple Indian cuisine. And
okay.
ganna, sugarcane. UP is most famous for sugarcane. And if I talk about the religious places to visit in UP, that is Ayodhya. So that's all
Mhm.
about. Uh, Yali, could you please, can we connect again?
It's been already 20 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, please. Okay. Okay, Piali, that was a amazing session with you. We will definitely connect again. Okay.